Ang gwapo ni Stel dyan, ang sexy ni Stel. Sumasabog yung studio. Iba yung aura ni Stel that time, as in, grabe. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Darren's Daily Reaction Video. Eto, first time natin gagawa na reaction video ang Stel sa kanyang launching ng kanyang single na Room. Aside dito sa reaction video, story time tayo dyan. But before I continue this reaction video, if you're new my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment down there. So eto na ang chika. Nandun tayo, nung time na yan, sinasabi ko sa inyo, nandun din tayo. Okay, kung ano meron dyan, panoorin natin to. Let's go, sige. Eto na. Ang gwapo ni Stel dyan, ang sexy ni Stel. Sumasabog yung studio. Iba yung aura ni Stel that time, as in, grabe. Boses is boses. Nagwawala kami dyan sa gilid. Nagigigil kami kay ate. Nagsiselos kami doon kay ate. Yung backup dancer ni Stel, as in. As in dyan sa part na yan. Yan. See me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't wanna let it. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but if this road there's no one left. Oh my gosh. Can you read the room? And now you've tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile, but I set you way too high. Hope you come alive. Set a fire, fuss and shivers down your spine. Yeah, no, as in. Found you and I. We don't need that. Let time slow it. Fade to black, cause now we're face to this energy that's within me will never let you go. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't wanna savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one left. Dance. Oh my gosh. Galing. In fairness, etong itong performance nila Stel sa stage na to ng All Out Sunday, grabe, yumayanig, as in yung sexiness ni Stel, yung ganda ng performance niya. Bagay kay Stel yung song, as in. Oh, ayan o, ang sarap hilahin ng buhok ni ate. Ang sarap Sobrang nilain ng buhok ni ate. As in.
Baby, don't you worry, as long as you're here with me.
Di ba ang tagal nila? Oh. Oh.
If you'd only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to live this wrong. It's on here every day. Can you read the room?
At sa ano ha, backup dancer ng ano, ng style dito, yung mga lalaki, ang pipes din, in fairness, ang pipes, ang babango, ganon.
Read the room. Can ya? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Tapos si ate, oh, di ba? Oh my gosh! Ang ano doon, ang hot ng performance style doon, nagwawala ang studio, ang ingay ng studio, nakakabing sigawan, winner yung room style. So this is it. Ayan yung first, kung ako nagkakamala, ito yung first performance style sa kanyang room. So sa All Out Sunday niya at ang lunch ko. So nabigyan rin yung magkakataon na mapanood yun. So thank you so much! So see you again for more action video on this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching!